Hi, my name is Justina Dudek and I am a PhD student in geography at the Jagiellonian University in Krakow. My research involves the study on glacier fluctuations in Sørkapp Land, the southern peninsula of Spitsbergen, which is the largest island of Svalbard archipelago. Variation in glacier extent is a strongly enhanced parameter, which provides an indirect filtered signal of the changing climate. Since the Sørkapp Land peninsula is mostly covered by glaciers, changes in their extent and thickness have a huge impact on the structure and dynamics of environment. In my research, I use datasets in the form of old maps, aerial photographs and satellite images, which documents present state of the glaciers and allow to evaluate their fluctuations in the past. At the IPY conference, I will present the result of the study carried out in the western part of the peninsula concerning glacier retreat in the last few decades.